Hey guys, welcome back to Victory Education. This is your Narsimhan, and the topic which we are going to talk about today is about the Avogadro's number. Avogadro is Italian and his real name is Leonardo Romino Amido Carlo Avogadro. Well, I guess we can call him as Avogadro, that's fine. What he invented is 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23, which we call it as Avogadro's number. And what it's really mean? Before going into that, let's see what his law states. The Avogadro's law is the volume of gas is directly related to the number of moles of the gases, where T and P, temperature and pressure, are constant, which means that volume by number of moles is always going to be a constant. What it really mean, I don't even got it at the first time. If we have three balloons having the same volume, for example, it is filled with nitrogen, hydrogen and oxygen, then all of them going to have the same molecules. That's what Avogadro states. Now let's see what is a mole and what is an Avogadro's constant. 1 mole is the substance contains 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 particles of substances, which means that Avogadro's constant is always going to be 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. Avogadro's constant really doesn't have any kind of units. It's just like we call 1 dozen. But can I go to a shop and ask like 1 Avogadros of chocolate or 1 mole of chocolates? Well, you can do that, but you're going to get a really huge amount of chocolates because the Avogadro's real number is 602200000000000 and it goes on. So it's 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23. So you're going to have a really huge number of chocolates, which I don't think like any shopkeeper can afford, and you really can just like that carry them on a carry bag. So where we really use the Avogadro's number on a real life is like on the chemistry. When we're going to deal with atoms, Avogadro's number is really equal to 12 grams of carbon atoms. If you're going to take a 12 grams of carbon atom, then it's going to have 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 number of atoms on it. If you're going to understand the logic correct, probably you can answer this question. So how much grams of gold is going to be there on Avogadro's number? If you're going to say that it's 12 grams, then you are wrong. 1 Avogadro or 1 mole of gold is going to have 167.967 grams of atoms, which means the mass may change but the number of atoms remains the same. Even to explain it a little better, if you're going to see these two diagrams, all the cubes has the same amount of atoms on it, but if you're going to take the mass or weight of it, aluminum's 1 mole is 26.98 grams, where copper 1 mole is 63.55 grams and carbon 1 mole is 12.01 grams. So this shows like the amount of atoms is only consideration when we coming to moles, but not actual real gram or mass of the atom. We use Avogadro's number in the calculation of the chemistry. So let's see how the problem deals with chemistry. Let's calculate the mass of 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 numbers of oxygen atoms. So, well, we know that the number of moles is equal to the number of particles by Avogadro's number. So, the number of moles is going to be 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 by 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23, which is nothing but 1 by 2, which is 0.5 moles. So, let's consider one more sum. How many atoms of lithiums are there in 18.2 grams of lithium? So when we're going to take a lithium, we know that lithium's 1 mole is going to be 6.94 Li. Let's look back to the question. Question state that we want to identify how much amount of atoms is going to be there on 8.2 grams of lithium. So 1 mole is 6.94 grams, and of course, we know the Avogadro's number is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Number of atoms is nothing but 1 mole. So if you're going to calculate it, you can directly cancel as 1 mole and G1 lithium and G1 lithium. So all you're going to remain is 8.02 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 by 6.94. If you're going to solve it, all you're going to remain is 1.58 into 10 to the power of 24 atoms in lithium. So hope this helps in calculations. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like it, share it, and please drop your comments if you like to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.